Hello everybody, I have been so excited to make this video. I've been busy packing all of your amazing orders, so if you have placed an order with me, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, because I do have new subscribers, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, but I do tend to cater more for those that are new to making jewellery. So today I'm going to make a cover for my junk journal. This is my very first junk journal and I have chosen to make it in this, it's almost like a memory box. As I hopefully improve, I've already gone to the charity shops the weekend and got some books, and I'm going to have a go at actually making my own journal. So for now I'm going to use this, which is an actual photo box. It says moments and memories. I am completely new to junk journaling and I want to make a cover. I want to make a cover and made some things, otherwise I'll probably be here all day. So I've taken, that's very pretty, isn't it? Now I do like the vintage look. So I've taken a piece of this double-sided, double patterned card. Now I've gone ahead and punched 2 holes. This was from my pen, which I smudged, but it's okay because I want to build on the layers. So I have taken a doily. I took another piece of card. So any card you have, any random pieces of card, just keep them. Because for me, I want to be layering, I'm going to be layering things up. Right, is it that side? I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just using a glue stick. So if need be, that can be lifted up. I hope you're all well. I hope everyone had a lovely weekend. Today it's just raining. It's been raining all day. It's so miserable outside. Have I got the right way? Let me just cut a little bit of that off. It's not perfect, but it will do. Now what has been really great, now I have found things that I didn't even, that I even had. Look how pretty this is. Daisy. And it's a brand new reel, so I will get around at some point to putting this on my website. I have no idea what I paid, I have no idea what people pay, so I'll have to find out. It's like thick paper, glossy, I'm not really sure, but if you pull enough it does tear. I cut 2 pieces with the plan of putting one at the top and one at the bottom. Now there was a previous video of me having a go at making my own envelopes. I used paper and then I used this card, the same as this, and I really did like this one. So I'm going to use it here, but bear with me because I will be putting something in here. But when I put something up here, it will become more, you'll understand why I'm doing it. I've just printed out this, again, not perfect. I just wanted to layer something up. If you have got tips, please leave them below. I need all the tips I can get. I've got a piece of this. Again, I'm just layering up. Then I need some ribbon. Now I think I'm going to need some strong glue. I'm going to use some all-purpose glue. Let me show you. It says indoor plants, and it's like a vintage packet of seeds, but also, let me show you how I made it. So I've only got a black and white printer, so I've printed this out, and it's indoor plants, and it's seeds. It's to make a pack of seeds, vintage seeds. This is the image that I used. So I'm now going to make a pack of seeds, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue down there, along there, and along there. Right, let's just put those together. And you may say, why are you doing seeds? Hold on. I've got some rice. My packet of seeds, which I'm going to pop into here. So why did I use seeds? It's because new beginnings. That's why I've done the seeds. That is my first ever cover. Do keep all sorts of bits and pieces, and I would definitely yourself keep keep them all in, just like what I'm using, keep them all in a special box. I've spent the entire weekend watching YouTube videos and I've got all sorts of ideas, things to have a go at making. I will still be doing my jewellery tutorials. In fact, I've got one going up tomorrow. So this is just something that interests me. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and click on that notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Again, please only watch what you're interested in. I know there are people on my channel that are only interested in making jewellery, and that's absolutely fine, but I really want to do junk journaling as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and happy crafting.